House of the Dragon is coming. Looking back at the previously saved photos of Daenerys Targaryen, they are all blurred. Today we will try to use an AI tool to improve the resolution of them. All we need is AVCLabs Photo Enhancer AI. Next, let's take a look at how to use it. Start the program and come to the main interface. You can drop the photos here or open the folder to upload. After the image upload is complete, we come to the right side of the interface and click Feature List. Here we choose AI Upscaler. Turn on the face refinement. Then set the image size. Now we click Preview and wait for the processing. It will take some time, at which point you can do something else. Now that the image process is complete, let's take a look at the effect after AI Upscale. Zoom in to see the details of the face. Or you can click the icon on the far right to see the comparison between the original image and the image after upscale. Let's move on to the second image. This time we choose to turn off face refinement. When the face is clear, turning off this function will get a more natural effect. Then still wait for the preview. At this time, we can see that the upscale effect of the whole picture is very natural, but the face of the character will still be clearer. Let's try again with face refinement on. You will find that the face details of the characters will be more deep and three-dimensional. Just click Save All and you can get 2 high-resolution images after AI Upscaler. Finally, let's take a more intuitive look at the picture comparison. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.